Now kids, we will move on to the next exercise, that is B, state true or false. So we have to read the sentences given over here and we have to state whether these sentences are true or false. Okay. So first question, to buy milk we go to a tailor. So kids, whenever we want to buy a milk, we go to a tailor? No. So obviously this is the false. So we have to tick mark on the false. Musician is a profession. Yes, musician is a profession or not? Have we learned about the musician as a profession? Yes, we have learned about the musician as a profession. So this is the true statement. So we have to mark on the true. A farmer controls the traffic. Does the farmer controls the traffic or the traffic policeman controls the traffic? So obviously this sentence is false. So we have to tick on the false. A doctor treats a patient. Does doctor treats patient? Yes. So this is the true sentence. We feel secure due to the police. The job of the police is to protect us and secure us from the bad people like burglars, thieves and criminals. So this sentence is true or false? Yes, this sentence is true. So we have to mark on the true. Now the exercise, next question C. Fill in the blanks using the words in the given box. So we have to fill up the blanks with the help of these words which are given in this box. So first, a dash dash teaches in the school. What we call to a person who teaches in the school? Yes, that person is called as a teacher. So here you have to select from this box the word teacher. Dash dash grows food for us. Who grows food for us? Is there an option for that person? Shoes? No. Musician? No. Farmer? Yes. The person who grows the food in the farms is called as the farmer. Third, when we fall sick, we go to a doctor. Yes, this is the correct option. So we have to choose the doctor over here. Who gives us treatment when we fall sick? We go to the hospital. There we get a doctor who can treat us for our sickness or illness. So whenever we fall sick, we go to a doctor. Now the next. A cobbler repairs our dash dash. The cobbler is the person who repairs our shoes. So here we have to choose the option shoes from this box. कॉबलर यह एक व्यक्ति होता है जो हमारे जूते चप्पल ठीक करता है. उसे क्या कहते हैं हम इंग्लिश में? उसे हम कहते हैं कॉबलर. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. A dash dash composes music for us. So the person who plays music and entertains us is known as the musician. So here we have to fill up the blank space with the word musician. Okay. Now we will move on to the next exercise. Answer the following questions. So we have to answer these following questions. So in this, the first question is, what does a potter do? So basically they are asking what is the job of the potter, what this potter does. So potter is the person who makes pots and things with the help of clay. तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर का मीनिंग है, पॉटर यह एक व्यक्ति होता है जो अलग तरह के मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाता है, कोई अलग अलग तरह की चीज़ें बनाता है मिट्टी के बर्तन से. किसकी सहायता से? मिट्टी की सहायता से. ठीक है, पॉटर यानी कुम्हार. ओके. नाउ वी विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.